Now the big question, how to decide between who and whom? Here you can remember an important information that who is always followed by a verb, whereas whom replaces the object of a verb or a preposition in the relative clause. Now we'll see some examples and observe carefully how whom acts as the object of a verb or a preposition. We want to hire employees whom the panel has shortlisted. In this sentence, whom is acting as the object of verb shortlisted. Can you call Stella, whom we asked to wait in the lobby? If we rephrase the whom clause, we'll see that whom is the object of verb ask. The teacher, whom everybody calls an English expert, is in the class. In the whom clause, calls is the verb and its object is whom, which is teacher. Now let's see some examples with prepositions. The man from whom you sought help is calling you outside. In this sentence, whom is acting as an object of preposition from. The teacher to whom you have lent your book is our principal. In this sentence, to is the preposition, of which whom is the object.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Enliven English. Download the app now.